What's going on, everybody? How you doing? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my channel. So what is hoovering, and what are the signs that a narcissist is hoovering you, and why do narcissists hoover you? So hoovering is a manipulation tactic used by narcissists to suck victims back into toxic relationships, into toxic narcissistic abusive relationship cycles. So a narcissist will hoover you because they fear that you'll get away from them. So they'll hoover you through love bombing, showing that they have emergencies so that you can get in touch with them, stalking you, or even smearing your name. They can go on smear campaigns to dirtify your name. So when you talk about hoovering, it's all about forcing engagement by any means necessary with someone who will prefer to disengage. So hoovering is a form of emotional abuse that is commonly used by those with personality disorders. All right, and in this bracket, narcissists take the lead. So hoovering, as you've said, is a form of emotional abuse that occurs when someone feels threatened by another person withdrawing from them or leaving that relationship. So a person hoovers when they want attention, even if that attention is negative. All right. So when a person hoovers, they try to find ways to lure someone back into their lives with a variety of tactics, such as gift giving and gaslighting, among others. So narcissistic hoovering may involve seeking information from their victims, friends, and family, trying to smear the victim's reputation, reaching out to the victim but calling it accidental, making bold promises to their change behaviors. So examples of hoovering can occur within any kind of relationships, whether it is romantic, family, or platonic. So some examples of hoovering in different types of relationships: there is the threatening suicide if you don't do what they want, or stating they will come to your house if you don't respond to their texts right away, lavishing you with gifts, lying about your behavior to get your attention, becoming overly apologetic, and trying to promise changed behavior, alternating between ghosting and constant contact, making intense proclamations of love and closeness. So what are the signs of hoovering? So if you suspect you're being hoovered, then these are the signs to watch out for. Number one, they seem apologetic. I'm sorry you feel that way. I'm sorry. But, I'm sorry if. That is one of the signs that someone is hoovering you. They contact you randomly. People who hoover may repeatedly come in and out of your life. One moment they may seem to accept that the relationship is over. And when you feel like you're healing, they come back into your world again. They may tell you, I was driving and heard this song on the radio and it made me think of you. I hope you're doing well. They might tell you things like that. They may send you gifts. So giving gifts is an example of hoovering. So they love bomb you with gifts into their lives. So this gives maybe a way to apologize for problematic behavior, but the kind gestures often stop once a person gets what they want. So they might gaslight you. That's also a way of hoovering you. Gaslighting is a very popular hoovering tactic. I just wanted to check up on you, they'll tell you. I know you're having a hard time. Or I know things got out of hand for both of us. So the other sign of narcissistic hoovering is they smear your reputation. Smearing can include spreading lies or making false accusations about a person's behavior. So someone who's hoovering does they smear your name to gain attention and to get other people to empathize with them. So they will also tell you how much they love you. That's another way of hoovering you. They'll go to extreme ways to proclaim their love for you. They'll tell you you're their soulmate. You're the only one in this world who truly understands them. They can't imagine being with anybody else. So these are love bombing statements. They are good, but they are very manipulative. The other sign of narcissistic hoovering is that they contact you when it seems important. So they might contact you when it's during your birthday or anniversary. So they because they track you, it means they can contact you when you get a new job or move. So this kind of communication may trick you into believing that they still really care about you and your well-being. So the other sign of hoovering is that they will talk through other people to get to you. That is, they use their flying monkeys or triangulation. Then they may also feign a crisis. They'll exaggerate a crisis or make up a crisis to get your attention. This can include anything from medical emergencies to family deaths to mental health stressors. So the last but not least sign that you are being hoovered, they pretend everything is fine. So the narcissist pretends nothing has changed. So how do you deal with hoovering behaviors? Identify the patterns. Prioritize your mental and emotional self-care. Block them. In short, try to limit contact with the narcissist. Block them on social media, email, and other online platforms or online accounts. Avoid bad mouthing. Respond as neutrally as possible. Keep reminding yourself it's not your fault and seek legal action. So that's how you can deal, right? How you can deal with hoovering. Thank you for watching this video. If you love it, please say it in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Knowledge is power, information is power, and learning is the superpower. I love you all to the moon and back. God bless you. Catch you later in the next video.